Nakita natin kahapon kung anong klaseng pinuno si Secretary Lopez. No? We had a glimpse of what kind of leadership she wants to bring into the DNR. And sa akin, kitang-kita ko, she is not competent for the job. She's heavily reliant on consultants. No? And nakita natin ang mindset ni Secretary Lopez. Para sa kanya, ang pagmimina at ecotourism are either or. Hindi pwedeng mag-coexist. Sa aming palagay, mali yun, no? As kaya nga DENR, diba? Kailangan balansehin niya ang environment at natural resources. Kitang-kita mo kahapon sa kanyang mga sagot, disbalance siya. Kaya niyang i-disregard ang natural resources. Ang dami niyang in-enumerate na violations, di ba? Sabi niya, tingnan niyo ito. Ang daming nasisira, ang daming kalokohan nangyayari. Pero ang nakalimutan siguro niyang sabihin ay, hindi kasalanan ng mineral yun. It's a problem of regulation. It's a problem of enforcement. At sino ba ang dapat nag-i-enforce? Hindi ba siya? Hindi ba departamento niya dapat yun? So, para sa kanya, kung hindi ko rin lang kayang i-enforce ang batas, papatigilin ko na lang kayong lahat.
When confronted yesterday by IPs affected and residents from our mining communities, she was unable to address the concerns and instead said that she also had IP supporting her, stressing that 10 million supporters from the IPs. I doubt whether they have such support. In fact, we were informed that the NCIP is coming out with a letter saying that none of those the members are supporting her. So again, that's one of the lies that she has been saying. So truth remains that we raised legitimate concerns and she failed in all fronts to address this. It's all about her personal consultants, her personal standard, and her personal interpretation of the law. There is no monopoly for love of environment and people. We are partners of the government. Our service to the country starts when our love for the environment begins. This love for the country entails us to embark on responsible environmental stewardship and harness our natural resources for the betterment of our people, especially in the countryside. No, Gina, we did not cause suffering in our way. Here are the voices of the real communities affected by your bogus due process. The real suffering was caused by you. So we again say, reject Gina Lopez as DNR Secretary.